Hi everyone, kumusta? My name is Shario. Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, actually it's been a while since I've done a video. For the past couple of weeks, we've been very busy. Pasensya na, guys. Pero I hope that I can share a little bit of my adventure, ika nga, no? So for the past 2 weeks, I was in Phuket, Thailand. It's my first time visiting there, guys, and talagang nag-enjoy talaga ako. Alam nyo ba? When I was a child, no, gustong-gusto ko talagang makahawak ng isang elephant, and seeing an elephant for the first time in Manila Zoo, that's the earliest that I can remember. I've always wanted to touch one, and during my trip in Phuket, I was able to touch an elephant and I was living my dream. Talagang ibang klase yung experience na yon. So I really like it. I love the experience.
So everyone, I'm gonna give you free time about here, about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Yeah, you wanna do some meal or say hi to baby elephant, drink water over there?
What I really liked in seeing elephants is also the fact that I was able to really see and marvel how they are. No, I gave them a bath, a mud bath, and talagang ibang klase. I was able to touch yung buong elepante, no? Talagang nakakatuwa. Nakiligo ko sa kanila na kahit yung mismong dila, talagang hinawakan ko. So, it was really a great experience for me. Para sa akin, nakakatuwa yung experience na yun kasi it's my first and I was able to share it with Rai. And ibang klase, guys. I can't say meron akong ibang experience na magle-level doon. And aside from seeing the elephants, we are, you know, the usual touristy stuff. So we went to good places as well, ate a lot of things, and buti na lang hindi ako nanaba, pero medyo nangitim lang ng slight. And yeah, which actually leads me, no, to this video. The reason why I wanted to do this video because I wanted to share with you guys kung ano yung mga pwede ninyong gawin whenever you also travel, no? You can always think about the things that you want to do and then also think about things na pwede ninyong magawa pa, di ba? I know a lot of you are still struggling kung paano kayo makakapag-start ng sarili ninyong business. A lot of you have been messaging me, nag-i-inquire kayo kung paano magpa-coach or kung paano nga ba talaga magsimula. In this video, guys, I'm just gonna share kung ano nga ba yung mga pwede ninyong gawin in terms of how you can inspire yourself and really challenge yourself as well kung paano ninyo masisimulan talaga ang pagbe-business, no? So, I hope guys panoorin niyo tong video na to. And I'll be sharing a lot more and I'll be sharing some more of the things that I do personally whenever I travel as well. Alright, so yung pinakauna dito guys is to really trust the process, no? Kailangan ninyong pagkatiwalaan how it is difficult to really start, no? Kailangan ninyong marespeto na hindi talaga instant ang pagnenegosyo, ang pagkakaroon ng mga customers, or ang pagkakaroon ng mga products na talagang magfa-fly or bibilihin ng maraming buyers ninyo when you are doing your business online. Guys, to share, no, yung mga products ko ng mga ref magnets, when I was able to do this, hindi ko sigurado na may mga buyers or yung may mga bibili talaga. And surprisingly, even on my trip, no, maraming orders ang pumapasok. By marami, I mean nakakaisa in a day. And ang isang yon ay talagang nakakatulong rin, nakaka-boost ng talagang confidence mo na pwede mo pala talaga tong bigyan pa ng mas marami mong oras, di ba? So, the fact guys na para sa akin, I was very surprised when I was able to see that this particular design for Batangas ref magnet is actually moving so well. Ito yung pangalawang pinakamabiling item para sa akin. And you can buy this sa Shopee. Tapos yung Manila, of course, is the most sought after design ng aking ref magnet. And we are expanding yung line ng mga ref magnets namin, of course. Pero, you know, nakakatuwa kasi I never imagined na may mga tao talagang gusto ng mga kakaibang designs na mga ginagawa namin. And as you can see, no, yung pinaka-designs itself, as you can see, ibang level siya, iba yung pagkakagawa. Medyo iba yung pagkakagawa ng mga products namin, and I would say as well na unique yung pagkakagawa ng mga designs namin. Guys, alam niyo, marami na rin mga nag-inquire sa akin ng mga wholesalers kung pwede sila mag-resell ng mga products na to. And I'm very open to providing resell partners ng mga wholesale pricing ng mga products na ganito. And we can also create products specific to your business needs. So kung meron kayong existing na pwesto and gusto ninyong mag-expand ng inyong sarili mga products, you can always send me a message. So yun yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo, no? Just really trust the process. Hindi siya yung tipong kapag nagbenta ka ngayon, bukas ubos na. Hindi po to parang pagkain lang na mabibili ka agad. Well, for some, siguro, may mga ganun talaga. Pero for most of the sellers that I really know, talagang it takes time para makilala yung mga shops natin. Please be patient whenever you're doing that and try to understand and respect na ganun talaga siya, guys. Kailangan ninyong pagpursigihin kung paano ninyo mabibenta yung mga products rin ninyo. Pangalawa naman, aside from the fact that you want to trust the process, pangalawa dyan is to really make sure that you know for a fact kung magkano yung kinikita ninyo, guys, no? Now, income is a very tricky situation sa ngayon, lalo na if you are involved in a platform business, no? You are selling your products with the platform, be it with Lazada, Shopee, or even TikTok. Those platforms have their own fees and they also take some part of your income. So instead na mapupunta yun sa inyo, you actually need to pay that platform for some fees as well. So guys, dapat maintindihan ninyo yung income ninyo. Marami sa mga online sellers ang mga nagbebenta ng mga items ng kung magkano lang yung kanilang products. Guys, hindi yun healthy para sa ating mga online sellers. Kapag nagbebenta tayo ng mga maliliit na income na products, and these products are even coming from big companies, marami kasi sa mga ibang online sellers ang nagbebenta ng mga items na nakukuha natin sa mga supermarkets, no? So, meron dyan yung mga, imagine guys, meron akong mga nakita talaga, mga shampoo, pagkain, and these things, hindi mo talaga mababump up yung income mo eh. Mahirap para sa'yo na kumuha ng mas malaking income sa mga ganong klaseng item. I would highly recommend guys na kumuha kayo, makipartner kayo sa mga gumagawa ng mga products, magkaroon lang kayo ng idea about what you wanna do. You can also get in touch sa mga kagaya namin na gumagawa ng mga personalized items and create your own idea of a product as well. Gumawa kayo ng sarili ninyong product. Kung medyo nahihirapan kayo kung paano din nyo siya may isip, ganun talaga. Kailangan nyo lang rin talagang alamin, aralin kung ano yung pinakagusto ninyong product. Kung kailangan ninyo ng tulong kung paano kayo makakaisip ng mga products niyo, meron akong program na ginawa. You can send me a message sa aking Facebook page at pwede tayo mag-usap kung paano ako makakatulong sa inyo. With our coaching program, meron na rin akong mga natulungang nakapag-start ng sarili nilang businesses. With those two, I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea. So, unang-una lang talaga, tiyaga, no? Trust the process. Ganun talaga. Wala tayong quick way kapag gusto nating yumaman or gusto nating kumita ng pera. Pangalawa is to make sure that you understand yung inyong income, no? So, dapat alam ninyo yung income ninyo. Guys, maraming salamat for supporting my channel. Unti-unti, tumataas ang subscribers ng channel ko. Kung gusto niyo matuto na mag-start ng sarili ninyong business, you can always send me a message. Meron din akong program dito sa YouTube. And you can watch videos na specific para doon sa inyong objective. Guys, sana tong video na to nakatulong. And I'll see you sa susunod na clip. Meron lang rin akong another trip coming up soon, but I'll make sure that I'll share more of that video kapag nangyari na. Yan, I'm very excited to share that as well. Maraming salamat guys. I'll see you sa susunod. Bye-bye.